Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito nga post ng David's Advocate are folks in Hong Kong in celebration of the 127th anniversary of the Filipino independence and the 50th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Philippines and China. The Philippine Consulate General in Hong Kong invites the public to the Kapangyawan Friendship Festival, which will be held on June 1, 2025 Sunday at Chatter Road Central. Enjoy a Filipino community parade and dates street performances. This year's special guest includes performances by the Hong Kong Police Marching Band, actor, TV personality Mr. David Licauco. Celebrate our rich culture and history community together. See you there. Uy, wow. So mukhang si David Licauco lang ang celebrity guest nila. Uy, nice. Galing. At next ay pinost nga ni Miss Girl A2, David Licauco spotted again in Pampanga. I'm not sure kung kailan to, pero si Kenzie kasi nag-post siya ng parang NLEX sa kanyang Instagram story kanina. At mukhang ito yung Porsche car ni David Licauco na parang nasa NLEX. So not sure why bumalik siya sa SM Clark. Bukas po ang ating programa sa mga makapagbigay ng informasyon. Charot. At next is post ugat ni Miss Girl A2, David Gann with a fan in Rockwell kaninang umaga. Si Ronnie Malit yung nagpicture. At kaninang umaga din by Maricel. And si David with the cyber shirt. At next is post by Alaya Mecca with pambansang Ginoo Sir David Licauco. Last na po talaga to, I promise. Haha. Ultimate crush so pagbigyan nyo na. Ayan nga, napaka-cute na si David with Miss Oppo sa Kalasyaw, Pangasinan. At next ay post ulit ni Miss Girl A2, cutie. Ayan na nga, okay, yan pala yung binigay na gift. Cute naman. Sabi ni Miss Girl A2, sila nagbigay. At ito nga kasama sa post, Mystic and Whims, we gifted the Licauco family with our grief relief set and David Licauco said, akin na lang. We visited the wake of David's Lolo last night. Jaime Jimmy Licauco, a pillar icon and one of the top names when it comes to the paranormal. Last year, Henson taught Sir Jimmy how to read the tarot. We were even fortunate enough to have Sir Jimmy experience our smudge sprays and oils. Sir Jimmy will be mixed. Ayan na yung grief relief set na binigay kay David. At yan ang pa-picture sila sa burol. At guys, I encourage everyone na may TikTok account na please follow Ninang Close-Up TikTok. Malapit na mag 20,000 for more kilig tayo. Kasi yun yung parang condition ni Close-Up daw para daw may surprise daw siya sa atin pag naka 20k followers daw. So, follow na, dali. At next is David still at the Kuya Korea meet and greet in SM Clark. Ayan nga, napaka-cute na si David. Diba? Gusto ko yung ganyang post niya. At ito naman TikTok ni Fanny David from Pampanga. Ayan na nga. So, yung song ni David, yung kanyang background music. At next naman, ito na nga yung video na hinintay natin. So, ito nga yung pinost ni James. So, at Ayala Malls, every day is perfect for spoiling special people in your life. Ayan na nga. So, binigyan nga ni James ng Mother's Day Challenge si Tita Eden. Let's watch this.
Confident ka ba?
Siyempre. Nag-stop ba ng time? Stop mo!
Guys, today we are in Ayala Malls Glorieta and I'm with my mom. And today we have a shopping challenge for her. So for our first stop, we are in Muji. Timer starts now. For this shopping challenge, my mom is only given 10 minutes to visit 3 different flagship stores. So tara, let's go. Guys, first time naman magmadali para mag-shopping. As someone who wants everything organized and plans written down, she went straight to the notebooks and pens section. Guys, nadaya siya. Di pa nagsastart ng challenge. We're in our second stop at Adidas. Nagsastart na. 6:49 na.
If you have a goal in mind and you want to achieve that goal, you have to be willing to do whatever it takes.
Headed to Uniqlo, the last stop. Currently have 3 minutes and 13 seconds left on the clock. Dali ka na ba?
Yes.
Natakot ka ba?
No?
So here in Uniqlo, she didn't want to just buy clothes for herself but also to our family members. Just another prime example.
Ayan na nga guys, so ito nga yung controversial na blouse na katulad nung sinuot ni Barbie nung May 19. So tapusin na natin muna yung video.
Of how giving she is as her mom. Go, go. 4, 3, 2, 1. You know, it doesn't have to be Mother's Day or a special holiday to treat the special people in your life to something nice. Because any day is a good day to make memories and show appreciation for the people who matter. So it's time to go to Ayala Malls and give her the shopping spree that she deserves. Happy ka?
Yes.
Ayan na nga, so sabi nga ni James, hindi lang daw para sa kanya yung binili niya mga damit, pero ibibigay daw sa mga family members. So kitang-kita naman na same na sleeveless blouse yung binili na niya at saka yung suit ni Barbie. Ito naman, sinuot ni Barbie nung May 19. So yung video na yun ay sinuot before May 11. So hinala nung iba, binigay ni Tita Eden kay Barbie tong blouse na to. Pero well, di pa tayo sure kasi hindi pa naman na-confirm na magjowa nga si Barbie at si David, no? So aabangan natin yan kung merong kapatid si David, kasi pwedeng si Jean or si Tita Eden na magsuot nito. So titignan natin pag sinuot nila, ibig sabihin twinning. Pero pag hindi, baka yun nga yung binigay kay Barbie, di ba? At next nga ay tweet ni Johaima Pascual, Full House remake for Barda please. Ay siya yung position nga, di ba, ng kamay. Uy, grabe. Full house nga si Barbie tsaka si David. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in the next vlog. Bye!